Guys, Josh bringing you another video for you guys today. I know yesterday I made two videos and today I'm making you another one. Today it's an unboxing video, which today I happen to got this package in the mail, and I know what it is. It's my Christmas gift to myself. But before I get to opening these packages right here and unboxing, I want to show you my new, take a look at that, you guys. That looks 100 times a lot better than what it did before. The wire on here looks 100% better. This right here looks 100% better. Except for this right here, I have to make a couple adjustments to it, but I'm really not worrying about that. It's a pretty good, decent amount of size, and plus, it does overlap a little bit. But, pretty much, like, see right there, I have to modify that a little bit just to get it to look real good. But, I like it just the way it is right now, but if I had, like, the proper tools, I probably would have machined something and make a nice little groove and make it more fit in a little bit more. But it does look real great, and plus, this pack here is pretty much done. So I'm real happy with that. So let's go ahead and get on today's video. Alright, I got here a package that I used to have in the mail I used to have this a little while ago. Oh, I better unplug this before it causes a fire. There we go. Now, to get on with the story, I had this for like a while, and then after that it disappeared. But I'm going to go ahead and lower the camera. That way you guys can take a look at this. I'm kind of sitting on the floor right now, but oh well. Oh man, I can't wait to see what this thing looks like now. Alright, the guy actually wrapped it up pretty great right now, and I tell you what, I'm real happy with it. There's the cord right here, and the controller. Controller still looks pretty much intact, still pretty good. And here it is right here. This is the PS1 Slim. I used to have this a little while back, but somehow my nephews ended up borrowing it and I never saw it again. But I just want to show you guys this right here. I know this is like old news right here, and very old right here, because man, this brings back a lot of memories right now. Oh my god, look at that. Trying to look for the year. I can't remember what the year was. Doesn't really say, but oh well. I think this came out 2000 or something, but I got the one with the screen. If I lift it up, there it is with the screen. Screen looks pretty much intact. Eject it. Everything in here looks really clean. I tell you what, I'm very happy with this right here. I'm going to go ahead and open up some of the other stuff right here, and let's see if this thing actually does work. Now, I did happen to open up one of them. This is Donkey Kong, or Crash Bandicoot, not Donkey Kong, 2. So I got that game with this. And this is my memory card. I know that's what this is a memory card, because I can see it. Yeah. Now, I used to have this memory card. I'm real glad that I got a red one again. I gotta take that garbage out. Matter of fact, we can actually turn it on right now to see if this right here will work. So I got my plug right here. Let's go ahead and see if this thing actually works. Disconnect that then. Connect this. Actually, I just saw the screen came right on. Alright, let's see if this thing actually does come on. Well, it does come on. I want to unwind this a little bit. I want to see if there's anything on the memory card. If there is. There is something on here. I don't know what the heck this is. But I think I will just... There we go. And I deleted it all. But I tell you what, you guys, I mean, I do got Crash Bandicoot out already open, so let's go ahead and see if this thing actually does work. It's starting to load.
Crash Bandicoot 2. Cortex Strikes Back. Well, well, well. If it isn't Crash Bandicoot, well...
Well, it does work. I'm making sure all the... Yeah, it works. I tell you what, you guys, I'm real excited about this because now... Turn this off. Now I know this actually does work. I'm actually real happy with it. I mean, I can't believe it. That this right here actually works. I'm real happy. So now actually I got the system back. I can go ahead and close this up now. Now I got that back. See what's in this one real quick before I end this video. It's the other one. Sweet. And this one's already open because I actually knew what the heck it was. This one is Driver 2. Now, the reason why I got this, you guys, because I used to play this a lot when I was a kid. Look at that, it even still has the, and it has this too. Great. Man, I can't wait to get to playing on this one. So I hope you guys liked that video. A little bit of unboxing, and I hope you guys enjoy it. If you haven't hit that subscribe, go ahead and subscribe and smash that like button. Now, before I do end this, now I did have this a long time ago. I'm real happy that I do got it back. There's a couple more games I got to get, like Resident Evil and some others that I couldn't get, but I'm kind of glad that I do got these games right here that I could just play and not worry about being bored. But hope you guys liked that video, and catch you guys next time.